Today, I'm going to show you how to restore or recover closed tabs in Google Chrome after you've restarted your browser, even if you accidentally closed out of everything. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find your lost tabs and get right back to what you were working on, saving you time and the headache of retracing your steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. This might sound obvious, but just make sure you're not opening a different browser by mistake. Sometimes we click a shortcut and end up in Edge or Firefox, so double-check it's Chrome. Once it's open, you're ready to follow along. Imagine you've got a bunch of important tabs open. Maybe it's your work projects, some research articles, a couple of YouTube videos, whatever you like to keep at hand. Now, let's say, for whatever reason, Chrome needs to close. Maybe your computer needed a restart, or you accidentally clicked the little red X in the corner and shut down the whole browser. That sinking feeling is real. But don't worry, getting those tabs back is easier than you think. Go ahead and reopen Chrome, just like you normally would. At this point, you'll probably just see a single, fresh new tab. No sign of the collection you had before. Don't panic. Your browser actually keeps a handy record of your recently closed tabs, so we just need to tap into it. Next, look up in the top right corner of Chrome, and you'll see the three little dots stacked vertically. These are often called the More or Menu button. Click on those dots to open up a drop-down menu. It's a little like opening the glove box in your car. Lots of useful things are stored inside, you just need to know where to look. From the drop-down, you'll notice a section labeled History. Give that a click. This is where Chrome logs everything you've been looking at recently, so if you're worried you won't be able to find something, trust that it's probably right here for you. Now, within the History menu, you'll see a list under the heading Recently Closed Tabs. Chrome is pretty generous here. It doesn't just save one or two. You usually get a whole list showing the tabs and windows that were closed recently, even across restarts. Take a moment to scan through this list. If there's a specific tab you need, maybe that recipe you can't quite remember, or that document you were halfway through reading, just find it in the list. Once you see the tab you want, simply click on it. Chrome will pop it right open just like it was never closed. You can repeat this for as many tabs as you need. Just keep clicking the tabs you want to restore, and they'll show up in new tabs right before you. If you closed an entire window with several tabs, you might see the option to reopen all of them at once, saving you even more time. And that's really it. You've just recovered your closed tabs, no extra software or complicated settings required. This is a lifesaver if you're in the middle of important research or working on multiple projects. Think of it as your browser's built-in undo button. If a tab doesn't appear or you can't find something, don't stress. It's possible to dig a little deeper in your full browsing history. Just take your time and scroll through. It's all there. All right, I hope this helped you recover those tabs and get back on track. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Chrome tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.